Hi, this is Jack Kieran from SkipperBud's in North Point Marina. I'm going to take a few minutes of your time and walk you through this 2017 40-foot Sundancer. Right off the get-go, to get the excitement going, I'm going to point out right away that it has a hydraulic platform. Not many of the 400s had that. From this area, I can also open here, and I have a grill. So the popular questions when you're boating is, how do you want it done? It's shaken or stirred. Welcome to the cockpit of this 40 Sundancer. You'll see a nice big wraparound seating, a table, another aft-facing seat on the port side. Underneath there is refrigeration, as well as refrigeration underneath this. And on a day that it's too sunny, we have a sunshade that comes out. Welcome to the Salon of this 40 Sundancer. On the port side, you've got seating for two, a television, and the galleys on the port side also with a large refrigerator, a microwave, and then storage both under here and here and here. So there's all kinds of storage. On the starboard side, you've got a nice big wraparound couch. You'll see that that flows very nicely off into the aft cockpit. High from the helm. This model has been super popular because of the two helm seats with a thigh rise and then great 360-degree visibility, as well as a sunroof opening up to the outside. We've also got a Raymarine touchscreen radar chart plotter, and it's got the engine diagnostics with it also. This particular boat, which makes this one special, also has a joystick. And with the joystick, it will take the two Cummins V-Drives engines and put it in with the bow thruster so that the joystick will operate all three at once. I'm standing in the forward section, and when you come down these stairs, all you're going to find down here, which is very popular, is heads and beds. The master stateroom bed is a nice large bed, windows on the sides, that opens up. You've got a flat screen television with a DVD player, and then you've got your own separate head and shower. The mid cabin is really special. It's got two bunks, so if you want to have two separate people sleeping, they can, and then they slide together. So if people wish to spoon, we've got the spoonable bed also. As we leave this 2017 40 Sundancer, I'd like to point out a few of the things that separated this. The hydraulic platform, the joystick with the bow thruster, and 300 freshwater hours.